Hello cubers from beginners to pros. Today I'll talk about how to skip OLL and how to skip PLL from non-OLLs. So the first thing is when you get these two corners like that, just these two corners. So we can do wiper and we see that these two swapped and these two also swapped, so we do U prime, R prime, U prime, or U, R prime, F prime, or U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, or 2. Solved. Then the next one is when you get these two edges are flipped like this and all of the pieces are in their places. So what we can do from here is to do a J perm, JB specifically, and we all know J perm. Then R prime, U prime, F prime. You all know that's a setup to T perm, but we will do a J perm. Then F, U, R, also solved. Then the next one is when you get these two are flipped and you will do a U perm here. So instead of doing a U perm then flipping these two in their places, of course, we can do something specifically related to a flipping. So R, U, R prime, U prime, then M prime, U, R, U prime, R Y prime. So if you notice that this edge needs to go here, this goes here, and this comes back to here. So this alg flips these two and does a U perm. So we do it and we skip the PLL. Also, if you get this case, let me set up first, like here, you notice that the same one as before, but you can do it from here. So U, L, U, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, F, L prime, U prime, L, U, L, F prime, L2. So also swapped, but we can do it in a neater case, as we might think. Sorry for the cam being so wobbly. So we can do RU, R prime, getting this pair out from this one, or you can do it from this one, but you have to do a Z perm after, because this alg swaps these two and these two. So it does a Y perm on one side, and if you do it from the other one, you do a Y perm here also. So you get a Z perm. So we want to skip it. So RU, R prime, getting this pair out from its place. So L prime, U2, and see those two, we insert them with RU, R prime, U2, L, then U prime. Also, when we get this is the one I talked about, but if we do it from here, sorry, once more, we will see that if we did it from this angle, it does a U perm this way, but it doesn't do anything. So we can do it from here with L prime, U prime, L, U, M prime, U, L prime, U, L wide. That's it. Bye.